Oh well, it's a wet day today. Let me turn off the lights. Brother left them on last night. Okay, got that done. All right. I don't think. Uh, I don't know if I'm gonna get any walking in today. Definitely quite a rainy day. Ducky is out there. I don't know if he's not cold or what, but he's not moving too much. Why don't you go under the shelter, Ducky? Oh well. Anywhere. You can see the ocean out there. And it's rolling oceans. Oh yeah. And if we just pan to the west, nothing much on the ocean there. Some fir trees in the yard for sure. And my little building there in need of repairs. Oh well. It is what it is. We have to get some almonds off these trees. So we'll see. Well, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Right, Ducky?